You are 31 years old, standing in a cheap apartment kitchen, eating cereal from a bowl with a chip in the rim. Your rent is due Friday. You are $400 short. You are wondering if asking your manager for an advance will make you look desperate. Then your phone rings. You almost ignore it. Then you answer because some pathetic little part of you hopes it is a recruiter from a better company. I'm calling on behalf of an estate. Can you confirm your full name and date of birth? You confirm both. He tells you your great-uncle died 9 days ago. You barely remember him. 3 meetings in your entire life. 1 birthday card when you were 16. $20 inside. Then the attorney pauses. The gross value transferring to you is approximately $100 million. You set the cereal bowl down very carefully. Not because you are calm, because if you move too fast, you think the world might notice a mistake has been made. You ask him to repeat the number. He repeats it. You sit on the kitchen floor for a long time. Above you, there are 3 cracks in the ceiling paint. Beside you, the rent notice is still on the counter, and for the first time in your life, poverty feels like something that happened to somebody else. The phone call that made you rich, and the life you lost the moment you answered. Level 1. The number. The call ends, but you keep holding the phone to your ear. The apartment is silent. The refrigerator hums. A bus sighs outside the window. You search the attorney's name online with shaking fingers. The firm is real. The address is real. His photograph is real. That makes it worse. A scam would have been easier to understand. A scam would have let you stay yourself. But this is real, and real means your life has just split into before and after. You look at the rent notice again. $400 short. Then the number in your phone. $100 million. Your brain tries to hold both facts at the same time. It cannot. So you laugh again. And the sound scares you. Level 2. The Paper Kingdom. The attorney's office is in a building you have driven past 1,000 times without entering. The lobby has marble floors. The elevator is silent. You wear the only suit you own. It does not fit right anymore. The receptionist offers coffee. You accept it, then forget to drink it. The attorney explains that your great-uncle had no children. His wife died 11 years ago. The rest of the family had fallen out with him decades before. No one remembers what the original argument was about. But for reasons you will never fully understand, he kept track of you, quietly, from a distance, and he left you everything. Cash, investment accounts, a real estate portfolio across 4 states, partial ownership in 3 private businesses, a house in Connecticut you have never seen, 80 pages of paperwork, tax implications with their own tax implications. You need a wealth manager, an estate attorney, and a tax accountant immediately. None of this is optional. You sign where he points. Your hand is shaking. You notice only when you see the signature on the page. It does not look like yours. That is the first warning. The money is not just something you receive. It is something that starts rewriting you. Level 3. The secret. You tell no one. Not your parents. Not your 2 best friends. Not your girlfriend of 3 years. You go to work and sit in meetings about quarterly projections. You nod at the right moments. You eat lunch at your desk. You take the bus home. You make pasta with sauce from a jar. And the whole time, one number burns behind your eyes. The gap between what you know and what everyone else knows feels physical, like you are wearing a mask made of money. At night, you read stories about lottery winners who lost everything, heirs who destroyed themselves, families ripped apart over inheritances 1/10 the size of yours. The internet is full of warnings and strangers who will become very interested in you the moment they find out. You decide almost no one finds out yet. You tell your girlfriend there is a family emergency. You tell your manager you need time away. The first lie feels terrible. The second lie feels useful. By the end of the week, lying has become a tool. That scares you more than the money. One night, you walk through your old neighborhood and look at lit windows, people eating dinner, watching TV, worrying about bills. You go home to the apartment with the cheap blinds. You watch the sun rise. You have not moved yet, but you are already gone. Level 4. The new normal. 3 months pass. The estate clears probate. The money is under your name. Not all liquid. Not all simple, but enough is available that every problem you used to have has technically disappeared. So you quit your job, cleanly. 2 weeks notice. You say you want to travel. You walk out expecting triumph. Instead, you feel almost nothing. You rent an apartment in a better part of the city. You buy clothes that fit. You eat in restaurants you used to walk past. You move through your new life like a tourist using your own name. Then you tell your girlfriend. She cries. Not because she is sad, because she does not know where to put the information. Something changes between you that night. You can see her trying to calculate what this means for her. You cannot blame her. You are doing the same thing. You tell your parents. Your mother cries. Your father goes quiet, then says he is happy for you. Then says almost nothing for the rest of the evening. The room feels different after that. No one did anything wrong. The money just entered the room and took up space. Level 5. The requests. They come slowly at first. A cousin you have not seen in 8 years sends a message. He is starting a business. He has a deck. Could you take a look? An old roommate calls from nowhere. His wife left him. He needs rent money for a few months. He says he will pay it back. You know he will not. He knows he will not. You wire it anyway. Then the requests multiply. Medical bills, tuition, charities, business ideas, hard times, emergency loans. People find you somehow. They always do. Your father asks if you can help his sister. Your mother asks if you can help her friend's son. You say yes, then yes again, then yes again, until yes becomes a tax on your peace. You need a rule. Not for them, for you, so you make one. Annual giving limit, formal process, a small foundation. From now on, requests go through the foundation. People do not like it. Some stop calling. Some say you changed. Some are right. But for the first time since the phone call, you sleep through the night. And when you wake up, you wonder if your great uncle had rules like this. You wonder how many people he turned away. You wonder if that is why he died alone. Level 6. The lonely rich. Your girlfriend leaves 8 months later. She says it is not about the money. You both know it is about the money. Not because she wanted it, because she no longer knew how to stand beside it. The two of you used to share rent stress, cheap vacations, small victories, the daily texture of building a life with limited resources. That texture is gone. I feel like a guest in your life, not a partner. You do not know how to argue. So you let her go. You miss her. But more than that, you miss the version of yourself that existed with her. That person had problems, but at least they were understandable. Your old friends remain your friends technically. You pick up the check every time. Not because you want to, because it would be strange not to. One friend jokes that you forgot where you came from. He says it like a joke. You both know it is not. You meet wealthy people now. People who do not care what you have because they have it too. The conversations are easier, and sometimes hollow. No one asks what anything costs. Money is not the subject. Money is the floor. You miss your old life. But there is no version of going back. Only the version where you pretend you can. Final level, the inheritance. You are 60 years old. You have lived inside this money for almost 3 decades. It shaped the work you chose, the people you trusted, the foundation you built, the children you raised. The 100 million became closer to 300. Not because you were brilliant, because compounding kept working while you kept aging. Your children are 19 and 22. They grew up inside comfort you did not know existed until you were 31. Private schools. Summers in places most adults will never see. A life without the fear that formed you. You wonder what that gave them. You wonder what that took. So you build trusts with conditions. Not punishment. Protection. You have given tens of millions away. You will give more. Your parents are old now. Your father no longer recognizes you. Your mother still visits him every day. They never asked you for more than you offered. You will love them for that until you die. Some evenings you sit on a porch overlooking land you own. The light fades over the trees, and you think about the chipped cereal bowl, the rent notice, the cracked paint on the ceiling, the attorney's voice, the number that ended your old life. Somewhere right now, someone is eating cereal in a small apartment. Their rent is due. Their phone is about to ring. They have no idea what is coming. The money will arrive. Their life will split in two. They will gain things they never imagined. They will lose people they thought were permanent. They will become a stranger to themselves more than once, and decades later, they will understand the truth. The inheritance was never just money, it was a door. And once it opened, there was no way back.